You know, people who make stuff for a living are annoying sometimes. So this is 1.5 inch bolt, nut, whatever. Yeah, nut. So I have that socket, or that wrench, no problem. But then you have to have 2.5 inch wrenches, and that's just silly. Like, make the next one bigger, because I have the next size up wrench too, but I don't have 2.5 inches. I don't even think my 12-inch crescent wrench can get that big. No. So now I gotta do channel locks. I do not like this method. Yes. There's our couplers and our hose. So the new one, H16C092, blah, 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 blah. Ultra clean. That's what it says right there. But that matters where we're going. A little bit, I guess, huh? God damn it, I gotta spray it down with brake clean. That's not gonna leak. Boom. Now we're all good. So this pump is what spins the belt, which spins the head. I did not know that this block is separate from the pump. So these bolts that hold the hoses in also hold the block to it. So just to kind of keep it all clean and organized before I go crazy some more. I'm just gonna put a bolt in there to squeeze it, keep it all there, and keep it aligned. So, oh, I guess I could have just done that too, huh? Taking 2 off, one, whatever. All right, hey, it's been a minute, guys. I apologize. I like to make videos more consistently, but life gets in the way. So, prop you up here. Let's not fall into a ditch. Let's get our GPS going while this semi goes by. We are going to Old Town, Florida. Don't hit a telephone pole. We're gonna go mulch 3 acres, and yeah, but I've been lazy with my videos, as you can tell. So here's a quick recap. She's got me guessing about a present, gonna be her birthday soon. But a 4-star dinner ain't no real big winner, cause she likes to eat at the Greasy Spoon. Flowers and everything, it's too early for a ring. She don't like to wear perfume. She says take me to the Speedway, East Tennessee way, Sunday afternoon. Let's go to the racetrack, watch those engines run. That's all she wants to do, it's her way of having fun. She loves the noise and loves the boys going round and round. Let's go to the racetrack, cause she don't like
the truck. Now that you kind of can caught up quickly as to what we've been doing, or some of the projects that we've done. We had to go on vacation real quick to see my sister and my family up in PA. That was a fun trip. Now that we're back, it's time to get to work. Everyone wave hi to Lacey's dad. Woo woo. He's not outside. Yeah, we're gonna go kill some trees. We got the FAE on the 299 still. The Blackhawk is not functioning correctly yet. I'm getting big torches, big tanks for my torches delivered to the house so that I can, because I have to heat up each bolt, and there's 30 of them if I remember correctly, on the Blackhawk to flip them because they didn't have anti-seize on the thread, so they kind of got rusty in there. So waiting for that to show up. Once that is done, then it should be good to go. That needs to be done. Oh, there's a pothole spinning. If there's anything that needs to be done left on the Blackhawk, it would be balancing the rotor. I'm tired of the mulcher mafia. I'm tired of the toxic fuckboys. And yeah, there's plenty of room for everybody in this business. If you're a good business and you're fair and you treat your customers right, the market will accommodate you. Go! Sorry, the roads are super wet, so I don't have any traction. It's a really long intro. But we're just gonna cut right now. No, after I'm done talking, then we're gonna cut straight to mulching. So right now.
want to know what the Tree Shop special is? Spinach, cold steak, onions, banana peppers, cucumbers, Baja Chipotle, and ranch. And vitamin water. So Jeremiah's gonna talk some more. Let's type in the comments how talking is dumb. Anyway, this tree is sketchy. So, I don't really know what the cabs of skid steers are rated for, but right here, you can actually see I bumped it. Just this little half-inch, quarter-inch deep bump from the push bar was enough to move the entire tree. Woo! That is one rotten tree. Look at my new case knife. Look at that. I'm liking it. But look at that. Not very sturdy. But look at these oaks in here. These things, I mean, that's a dead one there too. Right here. See that? All that thin decaying through there. She's donezo. All the green up there is just vines. But then that one looks good. Looks pretty good. There's a lot of these like medium ones that are curling. Those gotta go just to give room to these bigger, more historic ones that are more sprawling. But maybe not exactly this one because woo! Look at that. It's like the tree, it's like this part of the tree is oozing out of it. It's crazy. Anywho, I thought it looked cool with the line like that. Also, the camera's doing something really cool. If I move fast, it'll keep moving after I stop moving. Whew! I wonder how that's gonna look in post. But I love being out in the woods like this because I can be outside without my sunglasses on in Florida and my eyes don't hurt. That's why I like big oak trees hanging out on and then just hanging out on land like this. So obviously we're gonna get some pictures for the gram, but heads up, keep an eye out. Our new website's gonna be dropping soon and I am super excited. I kind of gave Lacey like a list of demands that I want the new website to do, and I gave her basically creative control after that, but I did want it to be very concise, quick moving, fast website. So keep an eye out for that, and you'll probably see a picture like this on it, something like this maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? We'll grab a live photo shoot. Gotta go. Oh, time out. That reverse fan just kicked on. Get those trees in there. Woo! Perfect. Can't hate it. Gotta love it. The FAE could use some love, couldn't it? Well, we gotta get our oaks in there. What am I doing?
Can't you tell? Damn. Well, look at this oak. This is the kind of oak that I like. Look at this. That's a $2.99. Look how fat this tree is. And she's solid. This is that old growth Florida oak. That thing is solid. Okay, it's protected. It's protected. But that's probably why I got this big, this large of a tree. But it's a good tree still. Woo! The boards that would make. But also the cool thing about that tree is it's nowhere near any building plans. I don't even know if they have building plans for this project, but there's no way it's part of the building plans because it's power is way up there, like an acre away. So people typically build closer to power if there's power already ran, because it's expensive to run power. Can't leave you guys in the rain. I'm not actually sure if this camera's waterproof, so. Alright, it is dirty. It is getting dark. And but we ain't quit. That's not good. First, having your push bar in the right position, you can bump into stuff and not kill it. Almost made it. Almost made it. But we didn't. That's okay. So, I was trying to get without stopping for fuel, but that is not going to happen. I'm glad I caught it before I ran out, because I was a ways away. So, we're going to get fuel. I could have used this as a reason to go home and come back tomorrow. That just feels like I'm negotiating with my inner bitch. And everyone knows you're not supposed to negotiate with your inner bitch. This is that big oak now that's opened up around it. I think that's the big one. Yeah, that's the big one that I like. Woo! Nifty tree. So this area is where the house is going to go. The building will happen here, which is nice because there's not really any historic oaks, heritage oaks, nothing. It's all just crap. This is probably the nicest tree here, and it's still crap. So, super cool. And then they can leave their front kind of wooded if they want. This is kind of the vibe for the area out here in Florida, is big tall oaks as far as you can see. And a lot of people like that. I like it. If you live in this area of Florida, you most likely like it too. Can you see the machine? See the lights back there? That's the skid steer. Let's see if we can get it on camera. Oh, we can. Let's get this. I'm gonna come back up here and clean the front up. This was all rough hit, but I wanted to really get the whole property done today. So we're gonna go back there and just tidy up as we come forward, and then when we get to the front, we'll make all this pretty, because that's what we do. Oh my God, I have bonus content. Finally got another tripod. I've been avoiding it because of whatever, and I left it 3 acres away in the back garden, and it's starting to rain. What a great content. So if you're still watching the video, we're going to do a KWC style ending. But if you're still watching, you're the real MVPs. You're the ones that support the channel and our fans, and we appreciate that feedback and that support. So just go ahead and drop in the comments, tripod. Confuse the hell out of everybody. He's so funny.